Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Let's check out everything this powerful truck has to offer inside and out. Exterior overview. The 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 immediately grabs your attention with its bold, rugged design. At the front, the signature GMC grille dominates, paired with aggressive LED headlights that give it an unmistakable road presence. The black accents across the grille, bumper, and wheel arches add to its tough, off-road-ready appeal. On the side, the 18-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires emphasize its capability, while the higher ground clearance ensures you can take on any trail with ease. The truck's sleek lines, combined with the muscular fenders, create a sense of strength and readiness. The rear of the truck continues the theme of rugged design with a robust tailgate, featuring the innovative multi-pro tailgate system, making loading and unloading a breeze. The LED taillights further enhance the truck's modern look. Interior overview. Inside, the 2025 Sierra 1500 AT4 offers a perfect balance of comfort and utility. The premium leather upholstery with bold contrast stitching welcomes you in, while the spacious cabin ensures ample room for both driver and passengers. The infotainment system is centered around a massive 13.4-inch touchscreen, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration for seamless connectivity. The intuitive controls and soft-touch materials elevate the overall experience. Below, you'll find dual-zone climate control for added comfort. The truck also features forward-looking cameras and head-up display, perfect for navigating off-road terrains. Storage options are plentiful, including large center console space and under-seat storage in the back. Performance power. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 is all about performance. It offers a 6.2-liter V8 engine that churns out over 420 horsepower, paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth shifting. For off-road enthusiasts, the AT4's upgraded suspension system ensures a smooth ride on any surface, while the electronic locking rear differential and four-wheel drive make sure you can conquer any terrain. Off-road features. True to its AT4 name, the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 is built for off-road action. The AT4 off-road suspension package with Monroe shocks handles the toughest trails. You also get skid plates to protect critical components, while the hill descent control ensures smooth, controlled descents on steep inclines. Safety features. Safety is a priority in the Sierra 1500 AT4. With features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras to keep you aware of your surroundings. The adaptive cruise control helps maintain a safe distance while cruising, making long drives that much easier. Conclusion. From its aggressive exterior to its refined interior and powerful performance, the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 is a true powerhouse designed to take on any challenge. Whether you're heading off-road or cruising the streets, this truck is ready for whatever comes its way. Channel closing note, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive content. See you in the next video.